the Astral Range. Put it down.
Recording?
So you ready to fire? Hey, you got any words for motherfucking viewers out here?
Check it out. First time gun range, no sleep, vampire life. We out here vamping, day walking, you heard?
You already know.
You already
Right
know.
now we're at the motherfucking 15-yard range. You see that paper target to the right, the smaller one, that's what he's firing at right now.
The top right?
Yeah. Well, choose one and just shoot at it.
Okay, yeah, top right.
Here you go. Bust those caps, Lou.
Same spot.
Drop the mag. There you go. Make this look good for the camera right here, Lou. Try this shit like you want to. There you go. Give it a go. My nigga Lou doing a fucking crouching tiger. So tall. Go.
Check it out, you heard?
How you feel about that?
Feel fucking great, man.
This was awesome, man.
Hell yeah.
No.
I mean, fucking Rambo on this motherfucker.
How you stop this, John Lou? How you stop it?
Just press stop.